thanks to me.
My Sunday routine, or like things that I like to do on a Sunday to feel ready for the week again. If you are new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. That would mean the entire world to me. And give this video a thumbs up, and let's try to get this to 100 likes. And without further ado, let's just get started.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar.
So one thing that I love to do on Sundays is just grabbing my planner and writing down everything that I need to do that week. I will also plan out my video for the week, so I'll see what I want to upload, if I have to get anything for it, what filming days are best, and just everything.
I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you was saying...
Let's be real, there's no better feeling than sleeping on clean sheets. There's just something about it that makes me feel like a little angel. And that's why on Sunday I just fluff out my pillows, I fluff up some blankets that I have on my bed, I change my sheets to clean sheets.
Thanks to me. Funny how the story goes, little.
So then it's either time to take a shower or take a bath, and I use these products. For shampoo, I use the Garnier like apple scented shampoo and the coconut water conditioner, which is really good. They smell amazing. I use a body scrub, and to shave I use this. It's the best thing. Honestly, look it up because you don't need shaving cream. So I literally shave my legs in 5 minutes. It's so cool. And this is the shower gel that I use. So after my shower, I'll just throw on whatever oversized shirt that I can find, put my hair up in a bun or a ponytail, and start my skincare, because skincare is really important. So I'm using the Neutrogena Visibly Clear Face Wash, and I'm also using one of these like spinning face brushes to apply it with. So after that, I'll just grab a bowl with boiling water and put some like coconut scented bath salts in. And then I just steam my face, and it is super relaxing, it smells great, and it opens up my pores, which is great because next I am putting on a face mask. I just picked a coconut face mask, and this smells so good because coconut just smells amazing, let's be real. And I look like a freaking ghost, but that's okay. And while my face mask is like drying, I grab my laptop, grab a snack, grab some tea, and I upload my video or finish editing or just like anything that I have to do on my computer.
I'm like a golden crown whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now.
So on Sundays I love, well, I don't love, but I need to clean a bit, because if I don't, then my room would be a freaking swine stable or something after 2 weeks. So we gotta clean. I also love, no, again, I don't love to, but I clean my makeup palettes. I just broom the floor. And yeah, once my room is clean, I am clean, I'm feeling organized. Just grab my laptop, light some candles, and relax. So I'll just watch Netflix, watch videos, and I'll just stay like that for a few hours, and then I just fall asleep. So those are the things that I do to feel ready for the week again. If you also do any of these things, definitely let me know in the comments, because I want to know if I'm like a weird person for doing this. If you're new to my channel, you should totally hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Like I said before, we should try to get this to 100 likes. So I guess that is all for this week's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week.